Feeling unusually high without using substances can be unsettling and may stem from various medical reasons such as dehydration, sleep deprivation, panic attacks, or an underlying mental health condition. Dehydration can cause dizziness, so ensure you drink adequate water, about 11.5 cups for women and 15.5 cups for men daily. Sleep deprivation can mimic drug-related symptoms. Aim for 7 to 10 hours of sleep and consider short naps for quick refreshment. Panic attacks may result in heightened anxiety and a racing pulse, but focusing on your breathing can help. Euphoria can be linked to mental health disorders like cyclothymia or bipolar disorder, so consult a psychiatrist for proper diagnosis and treatment options. Additionally, an excess of neurotransmitters or certain supplements can also mimic these symptoms, warranting a discussion with your doctor if you suspect this is the case.